Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I apply individual lashes. Just a little disclaimer, I am not a professional or esthetician. This is just the way I apply them and it works for me, so do try at your own risk. Please don't yell at me in the comments. I know this way might not be how you're supposed to apply them, but it works for me and you guys really want to see it. So yeah, if you want to see how I apply my lashes, then let's get started. You're going to need some individual lashes. I'm using the Ardell double up lashes in the lengths long and medium. Then you're going to need a tweezer and some individual lash glue. I've been using this Mega Lash Glue by Kiss and Black. Any individual lash glue will work, just make sure it's black because the clear glue tends to dry crusty yellow after a few hours, so yeah, not cute. So now I'm putting a pea-sized amount of the glue in the container that the lashes came in. And I'm going to be starting out with the long lashes as my base. And then I'm going to use the medium lashes to fill in the gaps. And sorry, it's out of focus right now. It's going to get better, trust me. But it's kind of hard to do this and then look at the camera at the same time. But it looks really scary right now, especially if you're not used to getting that close to your eye. But what I'm doing is I'm just applying the lashes underneath the eye or underneath my lashes. It just looks more natural that way. I've tried to put it on the top of my lashes and it doesn't look as good. This looks way more natural. And yeah, so now I'm going in with the medium lengths. It's literally that quick. Before you probably saw me drying. Yes, you have to wait for the glue to dry sometimes, but it doesn't burn my eyes or anything. Like I said, I'm applying it like directly underneath my lash. So it shouldn't burn if you're doing it correctly. And this takes a little bit of practice. It's easy for me, but if you're new to applying lashes, then maybe try on top. And this is the difference. You can see one eye is done and the other one is not. And yeah, it just makes a little bit of difference. So now I'm doing the other eye. I'm just doing the same thing. I'm starting out with the long lengths and I just keep going with the long lengths. And then when I'm done, I apply the medium to fill in the gaps. Like I said, you're just gonna put it on your eye underneath the lash. And yeah, it's hard to kind of describe it, but you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm just showing you the difference between the eye. The left eye has the long lengths and the medium, and then the eye I just did only has the long. And it's just a little bit of difference. If you want a more natural look, then I would just apply one length. And the key is to spread them out. So if you don't want them to look if you want them to look more natural, then spread out the lashes. And if you want them to look more voluminous, then put them closer together. And so again, I am just going in with the medium and just filling in the gaps. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. It takes lots of practice, but I'm pretty used to it. I just let it dry. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.